Since Snapchat introduced the format and TikTok caused it to explode in popularity, short-form vertical video has become increasingly prevalent across the internet. The vertical video trend was popularized by Instagram with its Stories and Reels features. And Facebook, which owns Instagram, replicated the style with its own version of Stories called Facebook Stories. As a result of the pandemic, the popularity of vertical videos has skyrocketed, and the typical teenage user now spends 80 minutes per day on TikTok. In today's video, we will guide you how to make money with YouTube Shorts. But before we start our video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon as well. Now, even YouTube is getting in on the excitement by uploading their own videos. Shorts is a new feature that was introduced by the company earlier this month. It is a division of Google, and it enables content creators to upload short-form vertical videos to the platform. These videos can also include many enhancements, similar to those found on TikTok, such as music, colorful text, and images. Shorts are videos less than 10 minutes in length that are uploaded to YouTube channels alongside the creator's other videos. Additionally, YouTube highlights shorts in specific sections of the YouTube mobile app. The most exciting part? YouTube has made it clear that it intends to assist content creators in monetizing shorts and turning them into a reliable and consistent source of revenue. In light of this, the business has pledged to pay content creators a total of at least $100 million for the use of their shorts between now and 2022. It is important to note that you can monetize shorts even if you are not a part of the YouTube Partner Program. This indicates that monetization opportunities for shorts are available even to channels who are just starting out. The monetization of shorts will be discussed in a great deal more depth below. YouTube is a video and advertising behemoth, generating over $15 billion in annual advertising revenue, of which billions are directly distributed to the platform's content providers. Already, my channel on YouTube brings in thousands of dollars per year. It makes a ton of sense to become involved with shorts, given the platform's influence, reach, and money. And it makes even more sense to do so given the fact that you can get in on the first floor. Learn how to create YouTube Shorts, which types of content do the best on YouTube Shorts, and how to win a piece of Google's delicious, sweet $100 million pie by watching this video. How to make a short. It's not difficult to make a short. If you currently have a YouTube channel and you live in the United States, you already have access to the functionality if you have it. If you do not already have a channel, it is simple and completely free to create one. After your channel has been made public, you may start producing new material by installing the YouTube app on your mobile device, opening the app, and tapping the giant plus sign that is located at the bottom of the app. You need to look for a button that says Create a Short. When you press the button, the Shorts camera will automatically open. You just need to keep holding down the red button in order to start recording a 15-second vertical movie. You may also open the gallery on your phone and select a video you have already taken by clicking the gallery icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. You have the option to switch to the selfie mode, change the recording speed, or add music to the video. Particularly when it comes to music, YouTube should have a significant advantage over competitors. TikTok enables creators to embed clips, whereas YouTube works directly with artists or agencies in many cases. This provides YouTube the chance to negotiate better terms with musicians and to feature a wider variety of songs in the future. TikTok creators can embed clips. You are also able to remix the audio from a variety of videos found on YouTube. After you have filmed or chosen your video, you have the option of adding a number of extras, one of which is text in block letters that shows above your movie. Adjust the duration by using the timeline button. You can also apply filters to your video and trim it, which means you can remove either the beginning or the conclusion. The vast majority of short-form vertical video apps provide these features as standard fare. Shorts come out of the gate with a lot less functionality than the market leader TikTok does, but you should anticipate YouTube to add more functions relatively rapidly. At this point, you will add a caption to your short, which can be up to 100 characters long, and post it. Your short will be made public and will appear on your channel with the other videos that you have uploaded. How to make money with shorts. Naturally, every professional content creator will instantly look at shorts and think, how can I monetize this? As soon as they see it. Long-form videos on YouTube present a multitude of opportunities for monetization by means of advertisements. These include pre-roll ads, which can last for several minutes, popover ads, which appear on top of a video, mid-roll ads, which appear in the middle of very long videos, and post-roll ads, which transition from one video to the next. When using shorts, the objective is to get viewers to skip quickly from one video to the next as quickly as possible. This leaves an extremely limited amount of opportunity for advertising. TikTok has seen some success with its promoted videos, which are expected to bring in approximately $1 billion in the year 2020. However, it is more difficult to attribute ad revenue to specific creators when using promoted videos, because these commercials appear between the videos that are uploaded by producers, rather than on the same page as the video itself, as is the case with conventional YouTube advertising. YouTube established the Shorts Fund for this very purpose, in addition to doing so to promote widespread utilization of the new platform. To reiterate, the fund will disperse a total of $100 million to the makers of shorts in the years 2021 and 2022. YouTube has provided some hints regarding the operation of this feature. It is important to note that creators do not need to be partners with YouTube in order to earn cash from shorts. Similar to what happened with TikTok, this motivates new creators to sign up for the platform. According to YouTube, anyone is eligible to join in the fund so long as they create original shorts that excite the YouTube audience. YouTube adds that they will call out to thousands of creators whose shorts got the greatest interaction and views each month. They will reward these producers with payouts from the Shorts Fund and ask for their input regarding the platform. In another section of their Help Center, YouTube explains that content creators have the potential to earn between $100 and $10,000 each month, depending on the performance of their shorts, if they are chosen to get a distribution from the fund in a certain month. If you are selected, you will be notified through email and the YouTube app during the first week of the month. You will have until the 25th of the month to claim your prize by creating an AdSense account, if you do not already have one. If you are selected, you will receive a reward. The 21st through the 26th of each month will be the time when payments are processed. There is some evidence that the content must be original in order to qualify. For example, re-uploaded movies from TikTok that have watermarks may not apply or may even cause your channel to be disqualified from receiving awards. The particulars of the qualifying may appear to be hazy, but that's because they really are. YouTube is being refreshingly honest about two parts of the Shorts program. They aim to commercialize it for the long term, but they are not yet clear how this will happen. The program itself will continue to exist. YouTube writes in a post on their blog about the Shorts Fund that the Shorts Fund is the first step in our path to establish a revenue strategy for shorts on YouTube. This is one of our highest priorities, and it will take some time for us to get it just perfect. If only other platforms in the creator economy were as straightforward as this one. YouTube has stated that in the near future, they will develop a long-term program specifically designed for YouTube Shorts as a means of monetization. Additionally, YouTube plans to expand our Shorts player across more surfaces on YouTube in an effort to grow the audience for YouTube Shorts. And the company will also iterate on ads to better understand their performance. To put it simply, it seems that YouTube is indicating that they will eventually sell advertising through Shorts, but that they are still working on it. It is likely necessary for them to begin by luring advertisers to the platform. To ensure that it is worthwhile for content creators to make shorts in the interim period before a healthy ad economy can be built up around shorts, YouTube is seeding the pot by throwing in $100 million of its own money, which comes from its parent firm, Google. Again, this is a refreshing stance to take, considering that many platforms roll out new features and expect creators to develop content for free, in the hopes that monetization opportunities will become available at some point in the future. YouTube is making it abundantly clear that if you give Shorts a try as a creator and are successful, you will receive payment from the fund immediately and in the future. You may have the opportunity to monetize your content in a manner that is more sustainable. If you already have a channel, utilizing Shorts can provide you with an additional advantage. People who view your short and then subscribe to your channel will be counted against your total subscribers, which is crucial for monetizing your channel, winning creator awards, and other similar activities. That's tremendous. If you're going to establish a new channel, generating successful shorts could be a speedy method to meet the 1,000 subscriber level required for monetization on YouTube, even if you'll still need to make your way to the 4,000 view hours, which are also required of monetized channels. For experienced producers, Shorts could be a terrific method to bring in new subscribers, who will then go on to view your fully monetized long-form videos. If any other firm created a new short-form vertical video platform, most people probably wouldn't bat an eye. But because Shorts comes from YouTube, which has a lengthy history of creator-friendly monetization, a big audience, and the muscle of Google backing it up, the new platform is a must-try for every video producer. The addition of $100 million in financial support is a lot of nice icing on the cake. If you generate short-form vertical video already, or you already have a YouTube channel, test Shorts out. It could be a terrific approach to further monetize your content, or to develop a new subscriber and income stream for your channel. If you've never used YouTube before, that's an even better incentive to give Shorts a try. Breaking into YouTube can often be tricky, but with day one monetization and a potentially large reach, YouTube is delivering unheard of incentives to new Shorts makers. TikTok may be the main vertical video platform for now, but with YouTube entering the game, they're set to get a significant run for their money.